For today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Siri voiceover for your videos. And I am sure this will help those YouTubers that do something like top 10 videos, something like that. Let us start this video. First you need to go to your Play Store. Then search for Narrator's Voice. If you have found it, click it. Click Install to download it on your phone. Once it is downloaded, open it. Now enter your text. If you want to check how it goes, just click this. And if you want to save it, just click this. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this videos to help your friends.